Ato naman bisitahan ang isa ka duog nga nahamtang sa syudad sang Silay, particularly in Barangay Patag, kung sa diin ini ginatawag nga Pope John Paul II Resort. Ano pala katahom ini nga resort? Kag nga madamo sa ato mga kauturan ang nagakakto diri. Visit Pope John Paul II Mountain and enjoy the panoramic view of nature. It is the greatest place to heal and recharge. A must-see place in Lantawan, Barangay Gimbalaan, Silay City. The resort, named after Pope John Paul II, makes you feel that you are never alone and that the Lord is with you on your journey every day of your lives. A sanctuary and communion with nature for many who wants to reflect on the past with gratitude, live with the present with enthusiasm, and look forward to the future with confidence with these biblical verses. You can order native chicken or savor their native coffee with kamote fries. Also try their native foods like bukayo and mango tapioca that's really better eaten with their native coffee.